Children, in the previous video, we discussed the journal entries of this question. Question is demanding here journal entries and balance sheet. Whenever question is asking you balance sheet, I told you in previous video that it means we need to prepare evaluation account and capital account in working note. Okay, so let us start this. Today we will do with this balance sheet. So first, because solution part is balance sheet, so after journal balance sheet should be presented and working notes should go below the balance sheet. So let us start with the balance sheet. We all know the pattern of balance sheet. Liabilities, assets. Okay, now how we will present this? So see, whichever items are distributed in old ratio, they will not appear in reconstituted balance sheet. Why? Because those are distributed among the partners in their old ratio. So always keep in mind, if any item, accumulated profit, loss, purchase goodwill, we are dividing in old ratio, these old ratio items will not appear in the reconstituted balance sheet, means new balance sheet of the firm. Okay, so these two will not appear. So we start with the furniture. So here furniture, you check what is the price, 25,000, but what is told, Gautam would take over the furniture will also not appear because Gautam has taken the furniture is not with the firm, so we will not take furniture also. Okay, next stock. So we have to see whether there any information about stock, any increase or decrease. So we are not finding any information regarding stock, so stock we will directly take 15,000 each year, so we will also take stock 15,000. Okay, then sundry debtors. So we will write here sundry debtors, and in sundry debtors how much amount is here? It is 12,000. Okay, so we will write here 12,000. Less provision we need to do, so less provision. And what is the amount of provision? So we have discussed yesterday, provision is increasing by 400. Okay, so it will become 2,400. Earlier provision was 2,000 and new provision is 2,400. So you can check against previous video. Now we will deduct this. So 0, 0, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 2, 1, 3, 9, 3, 12. Okay, so debtors we have taken. I am going in sequence so that you should not leave any amount in exam. So these we have taken, debtors and stock. Next is cash in hand. So we will write here cash in hand. And see, business was having how much cash? 40,000. 40,000 cash business was having. And how much is brought in by Karim? He is bringing cash for capital 40,000 and goodwill 10,000, means 40 plus 10, 50,000. So 50,000 more cash is coming into business. So total how much cash? 90,000. Okay, so asset side, from here we have taken all the item. Now we will check the adjustment, that if any other new asset is there. So first point no asset, second point no asset, third point also not, and fourth also. So asset side we completed. Liability side, what is written? Sundry creditors 5,000. So check any information regarding creditor? No. So we will directly take what is the amount written? Sundry creditors. How much is the amount? It is 5,000. So we will take here 5,000. Okay, sundry creditors we will take 5,000. Then next amount, bills payable. We will write here bills payable. How much is the amount? 15,000. Then general reserve will not go. I told you, because accumulated profit and reserves, if distributed among partner, it will not go in new balance sheet. Okay. Then capital accounts. Capital accounts. Who are the partners? Gautam, Rahul, and this is balance sheet of new firm, means here 3 partners are there, third partner is Karim. Here we need to write their capital that total will come here. So these two capital will also change because partners have got premium for goodwill. Gautam has gained, so he needed to compensate Rahul. So for this purpose, to know this capital, we need to calculate capital account. Okay. So this is our solution part. Now below we will write working note. And for capital account, what we need? We need revaluation account. Okay. So first we will prepare revaluation account, and here whatever amount will be there, that total will come. So balance sheet pattern, you can see that even if you are not able to do working due to lack of time or any other reason, this much balance sheet you can present. Okay. So step marking you can get. And if you do the complete sum, then well and good. So revaluation account. In revaluation account, we have discussed yesterday what we write this side. On debit side we write loss on asset, on credit side we write profit on asset. Okay. So here liability was increasing, that was loss. So we will write provision for doubtful debts. So how much? 400 was increased. So we will write here 400. Then one asset was decreasing, that is also loss, both are loss. Two furniture, asset's name was furniture. How much was loss? 3000. Okay. So total is 3400. We will take this side also, 3400. Here by loss, because this side total is 3400, this side nothing, means total loss is 3400. This loss will be distributed among all partners in all ratio. So by loss transferred to capital accounts. Why it will be distributed to all partners? Because this is the loss of old firm, and old firm was having only two partners. One was Gautam and another was Rahul. So this 3400 we will divide into 2:3 ratio. 2 plus 3 5, 5 6 ja 30. Okay, 4 is there, 5 8 ja 40 and 0. So multiply with 2. So 0, 2 8 ja 16, carry 1, 6 2 ja 12, 1 13. Then with 3, 0, 3 8 ja 24, carry 2, 6 3 ja 18 or 2 20. Yesterday also we have done this in journal entry. Okay, so you can check previous video. So revaluation account, loss we have got. Where this loss will go? This will go to capital account. Now we present the capital account. So capital account, this is working note 1 and this is working note 2. Capital accounts. Three partners are here. So we will write here debit credit. This is Gautam, Rahul and Karim. Here also Gautam, Rahul, Karim. Okay. Particulars. Now in capital account we will see, yesterday I have told you the sequence. First we will write by balance BD. Okay, by balance BD means opening balance which is given in question. We have discussed in previous video. BD is Gautam 30,000 and Rahul's 40,000, means opening balance of capital account. Karim was not having opening balance because Karim was not partner that time. Then we will take all ratio profits, accumulated profit. So accumulated profit is only one, general reserve. So by general reserve, this will be divided in all ratio. So in all ratio we need to divide 10,000. See, we have done journal in previous video. So we can see from there also if you are doing journal. But if in any question journal is not there, directly you need to do. Then again we will divide this. 5 2 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4 and 3. So 4,000 here and 6,000 here. This Karim will not get any old thing, Karim will not get, whether it is profit or loss. Okay. Then old ratio item, one more is there, goodwill. So goodwill is a loss, so it will go to this side, to goodwill. And same amount 10,000 is there. So Gautam 4,000 and Rahul 6,000. 2:3 ratio. Okay, this is over, old ratio items are over. Then we need to take revaluation. So revaluation is loss. So if loss is there, it will go to debit side. Okay, so we will take here to revaluation account. How much loss? Gautam 1360, Rahul 2040. Okay, so this has happened, loss has happened. Now before going to admission condition, we have to check any special transaction was there. So yes, one special transaction was there, that Gautam's capital account debit to furniture. Okay, Gautam has taken furniture, so furniture price will be cut from Gautam's capital. So to furniture, in Gautam we will write 22,000. Okay, so this is special transaction also we have done. Now we go for admission condition. So admission condition was what? First was by cash account. By cash account, how much cash Karim is bringing for himself? 40,000. 40,000 will go to Karim's account because this is capital money. And then by premium for goodwill, how much premium for goodwill he is bringing? Premium for goodwill, he is bringing 10,000. For this I am showing you yesterday's calculation, that in previous video what we have done, how we have calculated that sacrifice ratio. You can see here in sacrifice ratio, Rahul is sacrificing 3/10, whereas Karim is coming only for 2/10, means 1/10 extra Rahul is sacrificing, which will be compensated by Gautam, and both amount will go to Rahul's account. So by premium for goodwill 10,000 Rahul will get, and Gautam will also give 5,000 to Rahul, which we have calculated yesterday. Na? See here. Premium for goodwill debit, Gautam's capital debit to Rahul. So both amount will go to Rahul, 10,000 and 5,000. Okay. So here you can find what we are writing, by Gautam's capital. Okay. So from Gautam's capital money will be deducted, and in Rahul it will be added. So here in Rahul we have added. So from Gautam we need to deduct also. So here we will show that from Gautam capital amount is deducted. How much? 5,000. Why? It is going to Rahul, to Rahul's capital account. So this point I tell you very important. I am putting a star here, that in exam you get one question of this type. So do proper revision of this type. So see, I have told you that we will do capital account in sequence, so that we should not miss any item. So we have taken the opening balance, we have taken old ratio item, then we have taken a special transaction item, that was furniture journal, then we have taken admission condition. Okay, I will be making a few shorts also for small formats and small concepts, so you can go through that also. So now what to do? Now we have to add this and find the balance CD. Okay, so here we will write to balance CD. Now one by one add the column. So here 34,000, check this side 25, 27, 28, 32. So this is not more, you can easily write 34,000 here. Here also we will write 34,000. Now from this balance we need to reduce this. So carefully we need to do, check the unit place for 0, 0, 0, add 0 to 0. 10th place 6, 6, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1, 100 place 314, 4, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. Carry 1. Now 1000 place 415, 516, 628, 85, 13. 13 1, 14. Carry 1, 2, 1, 3. So 1640 is your balance ready for capital account. Next for Rahul we will do. So 40 plus 6, 46, 56, 61,000. Okay, 10, 5, 15, 6, 21 and 40, 61,000. So we will write here 61,000. Okay, now check this, 0, 6, 4 plus 6, 10, 10th place, 4 plus 6, 10, carry 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 9, 9, 1, 10. So carry 1, 1000 place, 617, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 52,960. Now for Karim is having only one amount, 40,000. From 40,000, what is to be deducted? Nothing, so it will be 40,000. So this amount, this capital balance we need to take here in capital account in balance sheet. For this amount only we need to prepare this. Okay, I'm explaining and doing, that's why it's taking time. When you will do proper practice, it will not take much time. So 1640, then 52,960, and then 40,000. We need to add all these. So 0, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 6 1 7 or 9 16, carry 1, 1 1 2 2 4, and 5 4 9. Now we need to add both sides. So start 600 here, 5 plus 5 10, 10 4 14, carry 1, 1 1 2, 9 2 11. This side also 0 0 600. Now 5 plus 9 14, carry 1, 1 1 2, 9 to 11. See, easily we have got the total of balance sheet. Okay, many of us say na that getting total of balance sheet is a very difficult task. See, easily we have done. Why? Because we have followed the process, we have followed the sequence. So if you do it mindfully, easily you can do this. So go through the complete sum. Okay, practice it, and you solve any sum. If you are stuck in that sum, send me the pic. I will make video for that also. Thank you.